What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm doing another redesign for the exhaust system on the quad turbo, and let me show you guys why. So as of right now, I have all the holes in the hood. I want to do away with all that stuff, well, with the exception of the latch right here. So we're gonna dump all the exhaust in the bottom. As you guys can see, this side right here is partially done. Passenger is 99% done. I just need to weld the bottom part of this right here. And then the last part I need to do is connect all the exhaust to the actual one with the muffler right there. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and route the intercooler piping. That's going to go all the way around. Excuse the mess. Man, it's a big mess in here right now. And with that, I'll be able to put another head without this hole right here. And I'm also looking at possibly changing out my bumper as well. I got to get this done first, and we'll see what we can do here. So I was contemplating whether or not this episode was even worth doing, mainly because I stopped filming midway. As you guys can see, everything is already connected and done. But I do want to catch you guys up because things have changed, as you guys can see. So here's where we at currently. So everything now is venting at the bottom instead of going up the hood. Basically 2.5, you have a merge right here, and that goes all the way, it's probably about 1.5 to 2 feet maybe, of 3-inch piping to a cutout. So the same concept on the passenger side, 2.5, and then your 3 inches right there. And of course you have your merge that runs, I don't know if you guys can see that, but runs across to the other set right there. Aside from that, the only other thing that changed is this intercooler piping. So you have a 3-inch intercooler piping that runs this way. And of course it's going to be hard to show, but essentially there's a blow-off valve somewhere in the bottom here. And of course we had to relocate our methanol injection, which is now on the top here instead of being at the bottom. Now for the hood, we now have another stock hood. Eventually I'll get a fiberglass or a carbon fiber hood. So that's the nice thing about it.